Looking for a healthy pizza that doesn't compromise on taste? Then you have to try this delicious high-protein Moong dal pizza. Start by washing 1/2 cup Moong dal and soaking it for 2 hours. Once soaked, transfer it to a blender. Add 1-inch ginger, 2 green chilies, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, a little water. Blend everything into a smooth batter and set it aside. In another bowl, add 1/4 cup chopped onions, 1/4 cup chopped capsicum, 1/4 cup chopped tomato, 1/4 cup boiled sweet corn, 1/2 teaspoon oregano, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon pizza sauce, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. Mix well and also add 1/2 cup cottage cheese. Mix well. Heat a nappe pan and lightly grease it with oil. Pour the Moong dal batter and spread it into a thin layer. Cover and cook for 1 minute. Now add a few tomato slices on top, followed by the prepared veggie and paneer mixture. Finish with a generous layer of cheese. Cover again and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the cheese melts beautifully. And that's it. Your healthy, high-protein Moong dal pizza is ready. Crispy, cheesy, nutritious, and absolutely delicious. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and healthy recipes. Comment,